Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through the exact steps on how to export voice messages from public groups using the Telegram app on your PC with the new update. If you've ever wanted to save those important conversations or keep a backup of audio notes shared inside public groups, this guide will make it simple and clear for you. So let's begin. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Once it's open, move to the top left corner of the screen and click on the three horizontal lines. This is the main menu where all your options are located. From there, find and select Settings. Inside Settings, you'll see several options, but what you need to click on is Advanced. This section is where Telegram hides some of its more powerful tools, and one of them is exactly what we're looking for today. Now, scroll down until you spot the option called Export Telegram Data. This feature allows you to download copies of specific content from your account, making it easy to choose what you want to keep. Go ahead and click on it. When the export panel opens, you'll see a variety of checkboxes covering different types of content. Since we only want to export voice messages from public groups, you'll first need to check the box labeled Public Groups. This ensures Telegram will only gather information from groups that are open to everyone. After that, scroll a little further down the list until you find Voice Messages. Place a checkmark next to it. With these selections done, you're telling Telegram to focus solely on audio content from those public groups. Next, click the Export button. Telegram will now start preparing your data. Depending on how much content exists, this may take a few minutes. Once the process is finished, you'll see an option that says, Show My Data. Click on it, and this will open the folder where all your exported voice messages are stored safely on your PC. And that's it. You've successfully exported voice messages from public groups on Telegram using the latest update. It's a straightforward process, and once you know where the settings are located, it only takes a few minutes to complete. If you found this walkthrough helpful, be sure to apply these steps whenever you need a backup or want to save important voice conversations from public groups.